during Rocktoberfest, we'll be launching the tennis balls in this space right here.
And it's gonna be like this, but you know, on a much larger scale. Not actual, like, realistic large, more like 5 feet at most. But yeah, and it doesn't also have to be a catapult. It can be, like, if you're more experienced with that, it can be trebuchet or mangonel or ballista, all of those particular creations. But yeah.
So you can enter the competition by yourself or with teams of 2 to 4 people, so go ahead and grab your friends and join the competition.
Register a team, come into the tutorial center, and we'll give you the guidelines.
The tutorial center is having a catapult competition. Not bad.